Hello guys, I am Lisa from GemPages. Welcome to the video tutorial series GemPages 101. A trust badge can be easily spotted on any Shopify store to inform visitors that the brand is legitimate and trustworthy. These badges are like digital thumbs-up signs that tell you this store is safe, trustworthy, and cares about your satisfaction. Trust badges come in different shapes and sizes. Some are big, boldly promising a 100% money-back guarantee. Others are smaller, blending text and symbols to quickly convey messages about safety or product authenticity. And there are payment badges featuring logos like Visa or MasterCard that serve as small guarantees for secure transactions. Today, let's delve into the most commonly used trust badges, the money-back guarantee ones. I'll guide you through steps to elevate your brand's trustworthiness using this trust badge. Firstly, create a new section using a 2-column row. Choose a background color that matches your trust badges or your brand style. Then adjust the row's margin and padding on each device to make sure your design looks good. Excellent! Now click on the row to resize its width. Enable full width for the mobile screen. Next, head back to the desktop view to fine-tune the column gap for a more pleasing layout. In the advanced settings, consider increasing padding and removing bottom margins for an enhanced appearance. Time to focus on the left column. Add an image element and customize its width across all devices. In advanced settings, clear the bottom margins on all devices. Then, drag and drop a heading to the right column. Enter your content and adjust its size, color, and font weight to your liking. Don't forget to check the look on desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Particularly on mobile, ensure the content is center-aligned. Next step, you might want to add the top margin on mobile for space between icons. Then drag and drop a text block. Insert your content, but make sure to ensure the formatting is cleared. Adjust the text size, font, and color. For a neat design, clear out all bottom margins in the advanced settings. Switch the column width settings from by ratio to fit to content mode in the row settings, while keeping by ratio mode active only for mobile. Here's a small tip for desktop and tablet views. You can align your section vertically to the middle. How does it look? Stunning! Okay, lastly, final check on all devices to ensure a cohesive and appealing appearance across different screens. And that's it, you're all set! Here's another way to make a cool money-back guarantee badge using GemPages version 7's image to layout feature. It's super simple and fast. To get started, click on the AI icon located on the left sidebar of your editor. Next, enter the web address where your sample trust badge images are located, or alternatively, upload the images from your device. Once that's done, hit Generate. The system will check the images or URL and show the result on the right sidebar. Just pick the section you want for your page, and then hit Generate again. Voila! After that, you only have to make a few adjustments, like margins, text size, and other settings to make it look perfect. Easy, right? A money-back guarantee badge holds more strength than you might imagine. It can give shoppers the confidence to buy from you, ensuring their satisfaction even if things don't go perfectly. This assurance can turn careful shoppers into genuinely happy customers. That's why making a money-back guarantee badge can totally change the game. And we hope you'll find it super easy after watching this video. Thanks for watching.